It's interesting that CEO Elon Musk didn't go into great detail about the new technology. He made no more mention of the brand new battery pack. But he did show off Tesla's new plaid carbon-wrapped motor and talked about some specifics of the new technology, which enables smaller, more potent, and more effective motors. The motors are small enough to be picked up by one person and have ridiculous RPM capabilities. Musk made a passing mention of the fact that this new motor can only be produced by Tesla using a brand new machine throughout the presentation. Welcome to our channel, guys. In today's video, we'll discuss why scientists are shocked by Elon Musk's new insane motor. Before that, do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, said during a press conference that the new motor is virtually indestructible and referred to his engine as insane. He also explained how unique it is compared to the other products on the market, and that he planned to break a world record with it. He further added in one of his tweets, "The main advantage of this is a much stronger EM field compared with a rotor that is held together by metal, usually high-strength steel. Other advantage is that rotor can go into higher RPMs, as carbon sleeve mostly stops copper rotor from expanding due to radial acceleration." Again, in the same series of tweets, Musk claimed that Tesla's new motor is arguably the most advanced motor on Earth. But he teased that the automaker is working on something even more powerful for the new Roadster. He wrote, "The plaid carbon-wrapped motor is arguably the most advanced motor on Earth, outside of maybe a lab somewhere. We have to keep some secrets. We have a few ideas for increasing torque and max RPM even further for the new Roadster." Definitely fun and exciting engineering ahead. Musk also gave information regarding the future electric motor that would be used in Tesla vehicles. The engine improvement, which was announced in October 2021, will include a higher RPM variation and a carbon-wrapped motor. The combined plaid motor was developed by a team of internal engineers at Tesla. It is way simplified when comparing Raptor 1 and Raptor 2. The company asserts that the recently created blade electric motor would enable a significant reduction in powertrain complexity while also enhancing performance and efficiency. Today, Tesla is able to create motors that are smaller, more powerful, and more efficient than ever thanks to breakthrough technology. After centuries of utilizing internal combustion engines that have severely harmed the environment owing to the carbon emissions they emit, this tiny device can deliver incredible power and discuss why electric automobiles and motors are superior. While everyone is aware that Tesla uses lithium-ion batteries to power its vehicles, many people may not be aware of the type of electric motor the company employs, or the reasoning behind its decision to do so. Tesla uses a three-phase AC induction motor rather than a DC motor, given that the lithium-ion battery is an AC motor rather than a DC motor. There are different motors, such as brushless DC motors, BLDC AC induction motors, stepper motors, and more household electric use brushed DC motors, such as twice-electric toothbrushes, razors, and so forth. However, after a few hundred hours of operation, these motors failed and needed the contacts replaced. If the controller fails, they can also open or short. A brushed DC motor is not a sensible choice for an electric car with an extreme performance need, since a shortened motor coil could result in a runaway situation. The brushless DC motor has a high initial starting torque, but when speed is increased, its performance or efficiency progressively declines. This means that if an electric car employs a BLDC motor, the car will consume a lot of electricity at higher speeds. Additionally, at higher speeds, the car will also react less quickly to accelerator input. Therefore, this is not a sensible choice for every induction electric motor. A rotor and stator are both present. The rotor revolves. Iron bars that conduct electricity are all around it. Stator, on the other hand, is immobile and stays that way. It consists essentially of coils of copper wires. The stator, which is attached to an electrical power source, in this case a DC battery, houses the rotor. The theory is that once current is applied to the stator, a charged environment is created that turns the rotor, thereby powering the vehicle. The goal of Musk is to develop a motor with a hyperscalable design that can run in any car. According to Musk, several of Tesla's upcoming vehicles, including its second-generation E automobile model, may use a plate motor. Although it could not be ready until 2022, Tesla must first complete work on its third vehicle. Despite the fact that Tesla has not yet disclosed the new motor's official price, he has claimed that the cost would be significantly lower than for pure Tesla motors. Additionally, he stated that anyone who purchased a Tesla after July 1st will receive a free new motor. However, The question of why Tesla is acting in this manner arises. The biggest issue with an electric automobile is having to transport numerous batteries, but nobody wants a large, heavy vehicle. Due to this, it is incredibly challenging to create an electric sports car that is exceedingly quick. Tesla has been attempting to make its motors smaller because it has come to light that cooling plays a significant role in the size of the engines. You need room so that cool air can circulate around all those metals. Tesla then considered how to create a motor that has no moving parts, nothing to cool, and is simply a solid piece of metal. It may sound impossible, but they have succeeded. Through the utilization of crazy torque curves, the new motor design accelerates more quickly than existing versions and improves handling. The new motor will give Tesla automobiles strange torque curves, and by eliminating a router that physically spins, they will be releasing even more potent models. We can give such savings to our clients. Elon explained that compared to previous generation motors, which produce horsepower and torque, the new motor is around 30% more efficient. The design makes scaling simple for us. All it takes is replacing a little piece of hardware. You have a strong motor with a maximum speed limit of 7,000 RPM when using ordinary induction motors to attempt to accomplish something similar. Because of their design, they kind of burn up at high speeds, which vehicles the motor will suit. In essence, the plate motor is compact enough to fit in any manufacturing vehicle. Simply because of the insane RPM, the rotor tries to expand due to centrifugal force. The rotor is thus essentially held together by the carbon overlap. It's insane like that. Additionally, Tesla will modify its new carbon sleeve motor for its upcoming Roadster model, which is expected to have a torque of about 10,000 Newton meters and produce a breathtaking acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds. Another option is the Cybertruck, which will go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds and utilize a tri-motor configuration on its highest stream. Tesla, however, is now promising a 4-motor setup that will be stronger by utilizing the new carbon-sleeved electric motor. Tesla is capable of enhancing the Cybertruck's performance and speed to withstand a 9mm bullet fired at the door. Therefore, it is an alloy of cold-rolled stainless steel that is extremely hard. The Starship rocket and the Cybertruck will both use the same alloy. Tesla is also preparing a Class 8 electric truck with 4 electric motors for semi-truck use. It was believed that the truck used the same motors as the Model 3 car. Nevertheless, Tesla can increase the truck's capabilities by utilizing the new carbon-sleeved electric motor. To be successful in convincing truck fleet owners to switch to using electric trucks, Tesla must accomplish this. The carbon-wrapped electric motor technology would also be useful for Tesla's upcoming semi-truck, which plans to accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 20 seconds while towing an 80,000-pound cargo. Due to supply chain issues, Tesla had repeatedly put off construction of this vehicle. But those obstacles may have actually given the company the perfect chance to boost its performance by incorporating this little magic motor. We can only assume that the gap between Tesla and its rivals will continue to grow even wider with the development of more efficient batteries and this revolutionary carbon-wrapped blade electric motor. Do you think these motors will revolutionize automobile engineering? Let us know, and do not forget to give us a like, share, and do subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.